asama ba ebusuya asama ba asam kese aba honorable Kennedy Akompre ko Japan ebusuya ne ho be kire no rough me no ka say die Assin South for youth NPP youth e wo honom Assin strong warning era ko honorable Kennedy Akompre ko Japan na ensem o maka die ese woni ense o ka kire den nyina nim se ndra and a report better wanting say Assin South MP honorable Rev Ntim fojo okopie mu e wa Assin Central honorable Kennedy Japan nim mpeso aso no basa ye bi esi on mama honorable Kennedy Japan matuma mfo bi e de omonsa at allegedly no of the musake kano. That is what the news no e kan ye na we na Assin South for abaye press conference a send strong warning e da come honorable Kennedy Akompre Japan say ne niema na oye no so wan hwe yi a de besi no enya ade a ne beje ho ende ensem de o maka bi na me ne obekwa kotie nsem a Assin South for ewo e de ma honorable Kennedy Akompre Japan ha e Ghana Nsem TV bidin amajeso ene promise betimi subscribe our channel no e de amayen follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok ni nyina no e promise the blogger yekotie nsem a Assin South for ewo Emma honorable Kennedy Akompre
So boy, we are the youth of Assin South, concerned youth of Assin South NPP. Yate say yen MP Rev Ntim Fojo oni Dr. Mahmoud Baumia e kwaprabo a enne kra no mo ha omo free ano omo ko Assin Central omo free Assin South ye MP mpesu aso omo ko Assin Central ye ya nyane ntie ene ne etwagu ne se ye nyane ntie nso bio esisu dua ene se eye emmabunu bi ewo Assin Central any constituency executives, any polling station executives, chairman at Agyapong Nyampong, Ekaho, and mobilizing control, agency, a MP, at threatening life.
Yes.
Now, the year can say politics, a game of interest. Ubia baby a panel, yes, baby, you die panel or didn't fulfill day. Now, your person, you catch your money, say, I want to come back, you know, bonnet. Now, essence so nothing to Sukoko actually was in Central. You the signal way at the Mawon. One more to the Mahaban at the train. Yes. And into your article at the Coho at the Betrayal, and to your catcher, honorable Kennedy Agyapong, a company. So on the Mukua and the Mukucheno. Now, and we are here. So, young MP, from Adanse, Basikosi, Tokrade, very MPP, MPP, Council. Yes. Now, Assin Central, Assin Central, and the brother. Yes. Now, you're throw on your mama, sir. Or more within the 2 Assin South, and then you get a massacre. Yeah, no one because the family no man quite no can pay bill Assin South ya because we only in for or no come party no our Ghana ha but bill no come eti ani bill amba eti one more
dey mean be say in politics no by force say you na betimi akọ support ni pa ba akọ ana da bi da interfere person obi ana na adwene e na nkapese ye ni nipa individual obi betimi akọ support kan obi betimi akọ support Baumia enti say MP agye atumi so de ne more be support e friend say Baumia enye bone eye musu ana say eye den Baumia ko ken ko ni kuro bam e friend say ken ko Baumia kuro mu no moti say asem we bi wo ho ebi esi na MPs bebre na support ono ken no a yenti say de we bi da so obi e di ken achi akọ campaign Emma youth na na say delegate na attack na eye den yanko MP die okọ Assin Central mo attack no yesam sa na ekode a ene ye ne mo nche kra ye ne mo nche kra sa de we am na that musu ha na ye campaign bia ha na se musu aso de a mo baba beto ye so boy ene de we ni abre pa
I go to 21st century politics say na na. Now one there and can see that 24 good years and can lose you. Now one dey be for be na kwa money NBC for nkoko.
Yes.
Oba Assin South me bo constituency officers be 3 a on abo support you. And now Dr. Mahmoud Bamia eba Assin South no mo wa ha.
Yes.
No more. On the disca, ya bema Minerals Commission. On a book for the end of the choir. Bisa say ya bema di on a book emechi. On a book for the Enya and Tokobiana. Silebo deputy organizer. Neba on a book for the end of Cuba.
7 years.
7 good years. I'm not a doctor. Deputy Nasa coordinator Mijima. We are not occupying. Bisa say no, we see, I know. Obi di omusaka na dabi ye ne abientia ananti na politics say honorable Ken oni bi ade ekoso oni bi e we orchestrated plan ona say na mo yesa me di honorable Ken we ya pa me di no we ya into politics into no bi train ade na wako 6 good times for prime so in that contest ba kokra 24 good years and obey MP. No sanso ye bo che e de magana gas. Ni youth organizer pe e ma de ko organize gas. Me here no ye bo che e organize space authority. One blow be our Assin. They can control us in Assin South. Omo tumi nche. They e Assin South. Kele di nche ni po ba ko pe a. Wo bo no e Assin South ko e bo che e organize gas. O che ni po ba ko a me here e ko e bo che e organize space authority. Wo bo no ha. So mo say e na mo de be Yadie ni na. And again, your petition make. I petition the disciplinary committee. Say same way. No mo nye hwe. O mo tuna so. Ana say mo makanisia. Esi ya dia de besi. Enye.
So in some what I say Assin South for editor journal say me no yede akwakutie de aba no na me no endro no me hu report ne say ona book na di Agyapong ne matumanfo attack ona obo Rev Ntim for journal. I wanted to actually understand say news na me hu ye report no no kra na senya no kra because you know misinformation dey adore so media no so. But so me mama kasa found so show me page my new video be am found because I wanted to confirm that it is true or not what they are saying because me no me inform misinformation ne false publication any adwuma. But me who say for no Assin South for na ba bontin a mobile responding nams then I just say there is some truth somewhere. There is some truth somewhere. Now, what I'm trying to understand in the say, what is their reason for doing what they did? Because let me tell you something. I'm not sure say these people know if indeed no this thing actually happened. Because me still have not seen any video evidence to prove that say it happened. Because so I can say that it is alleged. But indeed, if it's happened, they are not just one you are not qualified to be the flag bearer. If your people actually did it, me for now, I will say it's alleged. But if they actually did it there, then there is a problem. Actually, there's a video being some months ago. A certain man came out and threatened Abronya. It seems say it can be true. And that news require attention and from Ghana police. Mama no moduma and from fasa video no. But we are just also trying to wait and find out the truth. But that's the information I mean Saka with the April when the responser is Assin South phone so they buy ya. Omochiomu said they are very, very, very worried about what's happened and yeah idea I was here tolerate our party anymore. You know I'm a member of the New Patriotic Party and also a delegate, so we are all watching all the aspirants, what they are doing, their campaign meeting and everything. And all these things, are things that we will use to judge who becomes the flag bearer of the new patriotic party. So whatever you are doing, you should know what you're doing, because at the end of the day, we are the people that are going to vote and determine who becomes the flag bearer and who would not become the flag bearer. That's the honest truth. So when I work in the whatever, I just want to let you understand that this thing that you are doing, it's very, very bad. If indeed it happened, then it's very, very, very bad. It's very, very bad. It's not something that we should tolerate in our party. It's not something that we are going to tolerate. That's the honest truth. But I don't understand. What is the meaning of all this? Charlie, yeah, Junior, my engineer. My engineer, it's not helping. It's not helping. That's what I have to say about it. You're gonna accept within any promise. I mean, share of the grace. So, Nyanto was saying about it. Yes. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Haruna Indrusu, what disappointing, Papa? That means all your trophy sao. So was who can't trust John Dramani Mahama. Hey,
and Mr. Speaker, as I've assured this House, 50,000 teachers would be recruited and some 10,000 non-teaching staff will be recruited. Adequate provision was made for this in the 2025
A few
budget.
moments later.
Yes, is here. I understand that some striking teachers are looking for us on the streets of Accra. And then to respond to them, that Cabinet gave approval for us to recruit some 6,100 more teachers. And therefore, that category of teachers which belong to the 2023 cohort are adequately captured. I'll be surprised if it is the same group that is on the street. They rather should be looking for us and going back to offices for purpose of audit and identification to be restated to be paid.
God have mercy upon us.
now man focus on Drusu on cannot correct. But now I'm saying this is phone and can now you're honest. But I think I'm going to say on so your throw for sir. Hey, now who could Parliament June this year or catch it say when a clearance at amount 50,000 teachers and they're obaya also over 6,000 pay. Naturally say almost 44,000 there and almost 43,900 plus there. Among count. One saw your trophy. Now more and this Napo bit Yamuka. Teachers Nankatan Sumo, young friend Demo. Some will say Yezu. Yes, a yeza.